Necklace is going kind of crazy, but we can fix it or not. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, I have a full face of makeup on except for my eyes because I'm going to be reviewing a beautiful eyeshadow palette. Can I just say that I've been wanting to get my hands on this palette for some time now, and I'm just so happy that I have it. It is the new Nude Huda Beauty palette. Oh my gosh. First of all, her packaging is amazing. I mean, she does such an amazing job with her packaging. So this is the box that it kind of comes in. The cover itself on the box is just so beautiful. Look at that. You have some rose gold there, and Nude is in pink. She's a genius with her branding. She's a genius with all the packaging and just the products in general. So when I take it out of the box, this is what it looks like. Oh my gosh, how beautiful. I mean, first of all, she is gorgeous. She is a gorgeous person. If you don't know, it's her name is Huda. She is gorgeous. I mean, I don't know who doesn't really know about her because she's everywhere. She's on Instagram, she's on YouTube. I love her products. I have a few of her products and they work amazingly. So it's not just somebody who sells like high-end makeup, it's just the makeup is really, really good as well. And that's her picture right there. She always does that with her palettes. So then when you open it up, it looks like this, and she always adds like a cover like this to her palettes. It's just her face. It's kind of see-through. It's really, really pretty. It goes with her cover. So when you open it up, that's what you see. And then these are the beautiful colors in her Nude palette. Look at that. Look how beautiful that is. I obviously have not touched it. I've just opened it just now and I am so excited to play with it. So I'm going to go ahead and swatch these for you. I do love that the names are right on the palette itself and there is a mirror. So that's what the packaging, and those are the colors. I mean, amazing, beautiful. I can't even. Oh my gosh, I just love her stuff. Okay, before I go crazy, let's go ahead and get into the swatches, and then I'm going to do an eye look for you. So she has 18 shadows in here that range from mattes to glitters to multi-reflective shadows, a pressed pearl shadow, and also a concealer base. So the first row right here, you have some multi-reflective pearls that look so gorgeous. They glide on nicely. Even the mattes glide on so nicely. Her shadows are very pigmented and I love that. The first and the third color are great for setting the lid for a lighter set and a little bit more of a tanner set for your lids, so that's great. The purpley and mauve colors are great for even if you want to do a whole lid with it, or if you want to use them to smoke your eyes out a little bit. Those are great colors. Now the second row, the first color Lace is gorgeous. I can do a whole lid with that color, and also the third color, which is Tickle. The reflective color, of course, is gorgeous, just like the other two reflectives. And then the two glitters, my goodness, they're so pretty. They also glide on very nicely. I didn't have any difficulty. It wasn't flaking all over the place. So those two are really, really nice to really go over your lid and give your eyes a little bit more of a pop. And the color Kinky is a little bit more of a foily type of a color, so it also glides on so nice and creamy. For the last row, what I love is that she adds this concealer base called Concealed. It's great for giving your look a little bit of a pop to put it underneath, and you put your eyeshadow on top and it gives it a little bit more of a pop. And then the rest of the colors I would use to smoke my eyes out. Even the second color and the last color I could put all over my lids as well. And then the color Charmed, which is the reflective color, the last reflective color, oh my goodness. It is like a beautiful coppery color. This eyeshadow has a great range because you can go for a more natural look if you want a nice beautiful pink, or just a nice pretty natural, don't want to put too much effort into your eyeshadow kind of a look, because there's so many colors in here that goes with a nice natural neutral look. But also if you want to give your eyeshadow a little bit of a pop, there are definitely colors in here that cater to that as well. So eyeshadow palette can definitely go a long way. I love her eyeshadows because they're so blendable and they're so pigmented. I have her Desert Dusk palette and I am in love with that palette as well. I use it very often, and it has a beautiful range of colors as well. So I'm so excited to have this palette and to go ahead and do an eye look for you guys. I really don't need to set my eyes, but just for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to go into the color Play right here and use that to set my eyes. I'm going to go into the color Tickle and put that on my crease. I'm going to go into this multi-reflective color Fantasy right here and put that onto my lid. Look how creamy that is. Look at that. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to put that all over my lids with my finger. Oh, so pretty. So I put that all over my lid, and now I'm going to go back into Tickle again and just clean up my crease. I'm just going to go to my outer V with the color Love Bite, which is this purpley color right here. That's just 3 colors and it already looks so pretty. It does have a little bit of a kickback in the pan and a little bit of a fallout, just a little bit, but nothing too crazy. That in itself, I think it looks really nice. I love that even though I dug into this color Fantasy, the white reflective shadow that's in there has not gone away. So that means that it's all the way down to the pan, which is great. It's not something that's just on the top and then you put your hands through it and then the rest of the color is like a solid color. So I love that it's like that. So I think that's good for the top lid. I'm going to go ahead and add some eyeliner and put some eyelashes, and I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back. So the top lid is done. So I used my Huda Beauty Samantha lashes for the lashes today. I love these lashes. They go on so easily and I love the way they look. Now I'm just going to go ahead and finish the bottom lid. So for my bottom lid, I'm going to go ahead and use the color Love Bite. It's the color that I used for my outer V, and I'm going to put that all over the bottom lid. Then I'm going to go back into the color Fantasy and put that just a little bit on my bottom lid. Just that much. Just a little bit. Nothing too much. I'm going to go into the color Crave, which is like a golden reflective color, and put that into my inner corners. Oh yeah. A little bit of a sparkle in the inner corners, you know? For my waterline, I'm just going to use a black pencil liner. Smoke that out just a little bit. For my mascara, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara, which is what I use for most of my videos. And I'm going to go into my bottom lashes with that. I love using this because of the spoolie, because it's like a flat spoolie like that. So it's so much easier for me to go into my bottom lashes with this. I'm going to go into the color Crave again and go into my brow bone with that. Now last but not least, I just have my lips left over. I'm going to go into this Essence lipstick and it's in the color Cool Nude. barely giving it any color. And on top of that, I added this Dirty Little Secrets lip gloss in the color AF. Okay guys, so that's it for my look. I think everything turned out really nice. Now as my review, since this is my first impression of this palette, I do want to say that the reflective colors, they do flake off just a little bit. Using a setting spray or going in it with your fingers will really help to really get that color to its full potential. But I do notice a little bit of flaking off. But not too much. But the colors are so beautiful, and I can definitely see myself using this palette a lot more often. I do want to create more neutral looks and keep things a little bit more simple, and I know this is 3 colors on the lid and it is maybe more than what most people want to use. I really wanted to use a few range of colors just to show you how it blends and the pigmentation. It's a great look for a nice wedding look, a nice party look. It's very minimal yet beautiful because it has a beautiful shine. So overall, I do like this palette. I am so happy I got my hands on it. I definitely see myself using these colors a lot more. I'm going to try to show you more looks with this in any of my future videos. But yeah, so I'm happy with this. I hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click that little bell icon so you get notified every time I upload. And also let me know if you like this look. I thank you guys so much for watching. I love you guys so much. Bye! I would wear this to anything.